Do you like to be recognized? Hi, it's Shem from Solidelectrics, your local electrician. Today I'd like to talk about being recognized. As far as I like to be recognized, my services, quality of them, all the reviews on Google, on the email, on the website, I really appreciate them. Thank you for all of them. I appreciate the feedback, not only 5 stars, but if you need and want to leave less than 5 stars, just please give me a call. I will do my best to sort it out. If you all can help me understand what was the fault, how can I improve my business, I will do it. The point of that video is to appreciate others who help me to bring my services to you. So today I'd like to share a big thank you for Jeff from Course-beacham garage based in Winchester Road in Southampton for sorting out my air conditioning, prepare my van for MOT, replacing the tire, ordering new one. Absolutely top-notch service, sending emails, texts, reminders, everything like from the office to the handover of the van. I really enjoy the service. Really thank you. Stay in touch.